All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the module for the week of January 22nd. Things a little bit different today. I have included in there for you to begin with a Chapter 7 review. Several students asked for a more comprehensive summary of the sections that we've already done. So I've included that in there. On that page, you will see the embedded Google file that goes with that, as well as the PDF if you wanted to print it off. And then there are 3 videos, just so that they keep them shorter in length, and we're able to upload those easily. That go with that review. And I do recommend that you, if you're interested, that you do that before taking your summative assessment. The summative assessment is right here. And because I've given you this review ahead of time, with this also, and then after speaking to a couple of you that on Tuesdays there just seems to be a lot of Zooms and other requirements that you have during the school day, I have moved this time frame from the end of our physical school day, which would be 3:45, to 6 p.m. And so you may take it any time from the start of school until 6 p.m. It does have a 45-minute time limit on it, although I really don't think that that is going to be an issue. I think that's way over the amount of time that is needed. You'll notice in the module that currently, right now, that there is nothing set up in this section in here in blue. And that is because I was not anticipating losing my electric for hours last night, and fell behind a little bit. So I need to complete that module and import some items in there for our new lessons this week, and I'll be doing that this morning. So if you go in, if you're looking at it now and look at it later, the new material will be there. But between the the Chapter 7 review and the assessment, I think that's plenty enough for you to work on while I work on building the last part of our module there. Okay, please Canvas message me if you have any questions. Thanks.